Living in Metairie means enjoying beautiful neighborhoods, close-knit communities, and easy access to everything Southeast Louisiana has to offer. But it also means preparing your home for intense storms, heavy rain, strong winds, and the occasional hurricane. While many homeowners focus on roofs and windows, one critical line of defense is often overlooked: your doors. Installing replacement doors can play a major role in protecting Metairie homes from costly storm damage. Stronger protection against high wind storms in Metairie can bring powerful wind gusts that place extreme pressure on entry points. Older doors, especially those made from aging wood or thin materials, may warp, crack, or even blow open under stress. Modern replacement doors are engineered with reinforced cores, heavy-duty frames, and impact-resistant materials designed to withstand high wind loads. When properly installed, these doors help keep your home sealed and structurally secure during severe weather. Reduced risk of water intrusion, flooding, and wind-driven rain are common concerns during Louisiana storms. Worn-out doors with gaps, weakened seals, or poor alignment can allow water to seep inside, leading to interior damage, mold growth, and expensive repairs. New replacement doors come with advanced weather stripping, tight seals, and improved thresholds that block moisture from entering your home. By keeping rainwater outside where it belongs, replacement doors help protect flooring, walls, and valuables during heavy downpours. Impact resistance for flying debris during storms. Loose debris such as branches, outdoor furniture, or roofing materials can become airborne. A standard or deteriorating door may not withstand sudden impact, leaving your home vulnerable. Many replacement doors are designed to resist impact, reducing the chances of cracking or breaking when struck. This added durability helps prevent sudden breaches that could allow wind and rain to rush inside and cause further damage. Better structural integrity for the whole home. Doors are part of your home's overall structural envelope. When a door fails during a storm, pressure inside the house can increase rapidly, putting stress on the roof and walls. Replacement doors help maintain consistent pressure throughout the home by staying firmly in place. This added stability can reduce the risk of roof uplift or structural failure during severe weather events, offering peace of mind when storms roll through Metairie. Improved energy efficiency year-round. While storm protection is a major benefit, replacement doors also offer everyday advantages. Modern doors are built with insulation and energy-efficient materials that help keep indoor temperatures stable. In Metairie's hot, humid climate, this means less strain on your air conditioning system and lower energy bills. Over time, these savings can help offset the cost of upgrading your doors. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Storm damage isn't always limited to weather-related issues. After severe storms, power outages and property damage can increase security concerns. Replacement doors often feature stronger locks, reinforced frames, and improved hardware, making it more difficult for intruders to gain access. Knowing your home is protected from both storms and security threats provides valuable peace of mind for you and your family. A smart investment for Metairie homeowners. Replacing your doors isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a smart investment in your home's safety, durability, and value. For Metairie homeowners facing unpredictable weather year after year, replacement doors offer reliable protection against wind, rain, and impact while improving comfort and efficiency. By upgrading now, you can be better prepared for the next storm and protect what matters most inside your home.